Ever looked at your Monzo app and wondered why you can't spend that extra dime? Maybe you've seen that dreaded limit reached message pop up at the most inconvenient time. Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of Monzo limits. We're going to uncover what they are, why they exist, and, most importantly, how to navigate them. So, grab your phone, get comfy, and let's get started. Understanding Monzo limits. First things first, what exactly is a Monzo limit? Simply put, it's a cap on how much you can spend or withdraw using your Monzo card or app. But it's not as straightforward as it sounds. There are different types of limits, each serving a specific purpose. We've got spending limits, which control how much you can spend on your card each day, week, or month. Then there's the cash withdrawal limit, which dictates how much you can take out from ATMs. And let's not forget about the online spending limit, specifically designed for online purchases. Why do Monzo limits exist? You might be wondering why Monzo even bothers with these limits. Well, it's all about security and fraud prevention. By setting limits, Monzo helps protect you from unauthorized transactions. If someone gets hold of your card details, they can't drain your entire account in one go. It's like having a safety net for your money. Also, limits can help you manage your spending. It's easy to get carried away when you're shopping online or out and about. By setting limits, you can stick to your budget and avoid overspending. How to check your Monzo limits. Knowing your limits is crucial. Luckily, checking them is a breeze. Just open your Monzo app, head to the Settings tab, and look for the Limits section. There, you'll find a breakdown of all your limits. How to change your Monzo limits. Need to increase your limit for a special occasion or simply want more flexibility? No problem. Most of the time, you can easily change your limits within the app. Just go to the Limits section and adjust them as needed. However, there might be some limits that require verification, especially if you're asking for a significant increase. Common limit issues and solutions. Let's talk about some common limit-related problems. You might have encountered a situation where your card is declined even though you think you have enough money. This could be due to a temporary limit reduction or a hold placed on your account. To resolve this, check your recent transactions for any large purchases or holds. Also, verify that your card is activated and not frozen. If you're still having trouble, get in touch with Monzo's customer support. Overdraft and limits. Overdrafts can be a whole other beast when it comes to limits. If you have an overdraft, your spending limit might be affected. It's essential to understand how your overdraft works and how it interacts with your limits. Tips for managing your Monzo limits. To make the most of your Monzo limits, here are some tips. Be aware of your spending habits. Set realistic limits that align with your budget. Regularly review your limits and make adjustments as needed. Use Monzo's budgeting tools to track your spending. Be cautious when making large purchases or withdrawing cash. Conclusion. Monzo limits might seem like a hassle at times, but they're ultimately there to protect you. By understanding how they work and managing them effectively, you can enjoy the benefits of using Monzo without any unnecessary stress. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.